Okay, after disassembling the hot end here, kind of figured out what those two fans that were right here were being used for. They were being used as heatsink cooling fans to prevent heat creep and try to reduce stuff like this here. So with this setup here, it's really good at melting the filament, but it will cause heat creep and cause the potential for clogs and tons of oozing that could get in on your prints. So I'm going to have to look into a different extruder setup here for these. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it dual extruder or go to a single extruder setup. Single extruder, I'll be able to get faster prints because of less, like I said before, less weight, and this can move faster, kind of like a lot of the Core XY printers. But I do like the idea of a dual extruder. So, yeah.